Kinetic study on the reaction between potassium iodate and sodium sulfite. We require 0.01 molar potassium iodate in 4 different conical flasks, distilled water, measuring jars, 1 molar sulfuric acid, starch solution, 0.005 molar sodium sulfite solution, and stopwatch. Take 2, 4, 6 and 8 milliliters of 0.01 molar potassium iodate solution in 4 different conical flasks A, B, C and D respectively. Measure 10 milliliters of 1 molar sulfuric acid in a measuring jar. Pour it into the flask A. Repeat the same procedure for the remaining 3 flasks. Measure 88 milliliters of distilled water in a measuring jar. Pour it into flask A to make the volume of the solution 100 milliliters. Then measure 86 milliliters of distilled water in the measuring jar. Pour it into the flask B to make the volume of the solution 100 milliliters. Similarly, pour 84 and 82 milliliters of distilled water to the flasks C and D respectively to make the volume of the solution 100 milliliters. Measure 5 milliliters starch solution in a measuring jar. Pour it into flask A. Repeat the same procedure for the remaining 3 flasks. Take 10 milliliters, 0.005 molar sodium sulfite solution. Pour it into flask A. Start the stopwatch immediately. Watch the solution for the blue color to appear. Note the time when the blue color just appears. Repeat the experiment by adding 10 milliliters, 0.005 molar sodium sulfite to flasks B, C and D and record the time taken in each case for the solution to turn blue. Plot a graph between 1 by volume of potassium iodate against the time taken for the appearance of blue color by taking 1 by volume of potassium iodate along ordinate and time along the abscissa. It should be a straight line. From the graph, it is clear that the rate of reaction between potassium iodate and sodium sulfite increases with increase in concentration of potassium iodate.